Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. Today I bring you to a year-old truck with a huge amount of pipes is in trouble after sinking while crossing the Discover the timeless power of the legendary Fiat 619 truck, the Fitito Viejo, in an emotional journey through the roads of Argentina. This video brings authentic camera angles, powerful engine sounds, and the nostalgic beauty of the 18-wheeled machine rolling through beautiful landscapes. More than just a trip, this is a story about the passion and power of timeless trucks. Play the video and feel the irresistible charm of the Fitito Viejo. Lori, Argentina. The Scania 112 Tatu roars gracefully down the rugged Camino Pinar de los Rios in Calamuchita, Córdoba. This iconic truck, with its powerful engine and sturdy chassis, maneuvers easily on the winding, narrow roads that cut through dense forests and steep hills. These are definitely real drivers. I have the deepest respect for them. They are masters of the wheel, capable of mastering the most challenging roads with impressive skill. With every precise turn, with every maneuver on steep and narrow terrain, they demonstrate not only their skills but also their resilience. Imagine the rugged beauty of the Camino Pinar de los Rios in Calamuchita, Córdoba, where the road winds through dense forests, and the air is thick with the scent of pine. As the sun sets behind the mountains, a Scania 112 Tatu roars to life, its powerful engine echoing across the valley. Let's witness the impressive scene when the tractor loaded with rice overcomes the steep slopes. With the huge weight on the truck bed, although overloaded, the truck still persistently rushes up each slope. Each wheel seems to want to tear the ground, creating a majestic scene in the vast space. The golden rice seems to be about to spill out of the truck bed, mixing with the tense but also magical atmosphere of perseverance and the power of the machine. Two giant trucks are competing on a bumpy mountain road, with their wheels struggling to stay out of the mud. The scene is tense as both drivers have to use all their skills and experience to overcome this harsh challenge. A tractor equipped with a push axle with a powerful 40 horsepower engine, was carrying precious bonsai trees, carefully cared for. However, in an unexpected moment, the vehicle flipped over while passing a bumpy road, causing the bonsai trees on the vehicle to fall over. This scene was full of drama, as the vehicle was swaying, creating a great challenge for both the driver and the bonsai trees being transported. A close-up and impressive image of a 6-winch modified vehicle, powerful and durable, with enormous pulling power. This 4-legged vehicle not only overcomes bumpy roads but also carries overloaded goods easily, demonstrating its resilience and superior ability. Every detail of the vehicle, from the powerful engine to the winch system, is fine-tuned to be able to conquer difficult challenges. "When trees eat skitters" is an evocative phrase that paints a vivid image of the raw power of nature reclaiming what humanity has built. Imagine this scene. Tall, giant trees, their roots digging deep into the ground, slowly invading the machines designed to exploit them. The skitters, once agile and powerful, now seem to be struggling against the relentless force of nature.
But that's all it had holding. And see this wood here?
In the dense jungles of Malaysia, where towering trees meet rugged terrain, a majestic sight emerges. A Volvo log truck, renowned for its impressive durability, rumbles through the forest, its huge wheels crushing the undergrowth as it carries a heavy load of freshly cut logs. At the same time, a bulldozer, the workhorse of the logging world, clears the way ahead, its powerful blade effortlessly pushing aside obstacles. Westcott Logging, pine harvesting in action. Watch as skilled loggers chop down towering pine trees with precision and power. The roar of chainsaws fills the air as each tree is carefully felled, its massive trunk crashing to the forest floor. With expert technique, the team moves quickly, cutting through dense wood and transforming it into large logs ready for transport. Westcott Logging, pine harvesting in action. Watch as skilled loggers chop down towering pine trees with precision and power. The roar of chainsaws fills the air as each tree is carefully felled, its massive trunk crashing to the forest floor. With expert technique, the team moves quickly, cutting through dense wood and transforming it into large logs ready for transport. You won't believe the incredible power and versatility these trucks possess. From the mighty Oshkosh, built for extreme conditions, to the rugged cat machines, designed to conquer the most difficult terrain, each one is a true engineering marvel. Tatra, with its unique suspension, can handle any challenge, while MAN trucks offer precision and power. The legendary M35A2, renowned for its durability and toughness, is a military icon. Imagine Toyota Dyna and Mitsubishi Canter 4x4 trucks traversing the muddy, challenging roads of Trans-Sulawesi. Each wheel is steady, cutting through the thick mud, as these vehicles charge forward, creating a powerful and impressive sight. Two powerful trucks are facing a tough challenge on a bumpy mountain road. Both are stuck in a tense situation, but neither is willing to give up. The skillful handling of the drivers makes the audience hold their breath. With experience and ingenuity, they gradually overcome the obstacles, pulling the vehicles out of the mud. Heavy haulage is a fascinating world, where giant machines and vehicles take on the challenge of transporting huge loads over vast distances. Imagine the power and precision required to move huge, oversized loads such as construction equipment, industrial machinery and even entire buildings. These vehicles are not only marvels of engineering but also testaments to human skill and determination. The difficulties that oil truck drivers encounter during the rainy season are real challenges, testing their resilience and courage. The roads are slippery and muddy, and trucks carrying heavy goods have to move on difficult and dangerous terrain. When it rains heavily, drivers must be even more careful. Be careful. Make sure the vehicle is always stable even when the road surface is slippery and muddy. A double-wheeled tractor, sturdy and powerful, carrying 8 tons of heavy acacia wood, rushed through the muddy, bumpy roads. Each time the wheels dug into the soft mud, the vehicle wriggled, creating a strong screeching sound, as if it was fighting with the road itself.
Jangan lupa di komen guys, tinggalkan jejak. Ini finish sudah, ini finish. Tinggal di dalam satu hari kita boleh dapat 3.
The ZIL-157, a legendary Soviet off-road truck, is a true testament to rugged engineering. Known for its unmatched off-road capabilities, this beast thrives in the harshest conditions. Whether it's traversing muddy swamps, climbing steep mountain roads or traversing deep snow, the ZIL-157 never falters. The powerful 6x6 drivetrain combined with a powerful engine allows it to conquer terrain where most other vehicles would get stuck. Imagine the Menzi Muck M545, a true marvel of engineering, moving effortlessly up an incredibly steep slope in Switzerland. With its unique, highly articulated legs, the machine digs into the ground with precision, creating a reservoir on a dangerous, near vertical slope. The Forest Cutter 8 is a powerful machine of precision and power. Designed for the toughest forestry tasks. With 8 sturdy saw blades, it can easily cut through thick wood, ensuring fast and efficient cutting even in the most challenging environments. Lori Balak Samling Miri is an attractive place, where the wild beauty of nature and the uniqueness of its distinctive cultural features converge. With its majestic landscape of overlapping mountain ranges, covered with dense forests, and clear streams, this place is not only a paradise for those who love to explore but also a place to preserve the traditional values of the indigenous community. In one reckless move, he lost control of his Cherokee and suddenly found himself stuck in a ditch. The wheels spinning in a vacuum, unable to free himself. The smell of wet grass and mud clung to him. The daylight was beginning to fade, adding to the tension of the moment. He found himself facing an unforeseen challenge, a test of patience and perseverance.
Oh, that.
The story of a tractor carrying noodles through a fierce flood is truly impressive. In the midst of the flood, the old tractor, with its powerful engine and the resilience of its driver, faced a harsh challenge. Each wheel rolled through the raging water, each step moving slowly but surely, like an uncompromising battle with nature. Two fingers to the environmentalists. Burn the coal, a bold statement of defiance. Standing against the environmentalists, embracing the power and heat of coal. It is a statement of strength. A protest against those who push for change while proudly fueling the engines of progress. The burning coal fire symbolizes resilience and the message is clear. No compromise in the pursuit of power and industry. In the confrontation between two agricultural legends, Tractor HT's T150 and Tractor Belarus 1221 MTZ, the power and performance of each machine show their own distinct superiority. HT's T150, with its powerful engine and solid design, can easily overcome difficult terrain conditions, especially in jobs requiring high traction. In contrast, the Belarus 1221 MTZ stands out with its fuel economy and high versatility, making it an ideal choice for a variety of field work, from plowing to transporting agricultural products. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.